Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Thursday. It's August 22nd, 2024. Right now it's at 8:35. So let's first look at the market. So yesterday, the market like a future open, as we can see here, it quickly break above this opening zone, and in a way it's a pretty kind of bullish. However, later it kind of keep kind of testing the lower the mid area here, and eventually it broke down below this middle area, and it basically it make a symmetric move and going even lower here. So and then from here, this is from here it kind of coming back up again, and making serious high, and eventually here this is like the 20 points move. This at like a shortly after 7, this is 7:15, and basically it's hitting the new high of yesterday, and at 8:30 it's kind of volatile. As you can see, this bar is pretty long. I would say it's not really say crazy, but it's only about like 10 points. It later kind of it continued to make higher. This is 9:30. It's gonna open at the high. So if looking back over here, the market basically opened up for almost like 17 points. It later kind of move up, and it kind of get to this get to 20 points, that kind of level. It went up by like 20 points, but it was not able to sustain there, and it went back below, and later it kind of reached down pretty sharply, but it come back, and it's at this 56.39-ish. This is the opening middle, and later it basically just not able to kind of sustain and just keep dropping and dropping. And actually, if I look at this the signal that I have, all the signal here is showing like a negative here. So, and basically making serious down move, and today is like it opened and it went up by 20 points, and then well, actually over 20 points, and then it make a serious move and come back down, and here's a move like 20 points, and then later just continuously keep moving lower, and another 20 points, and another 20 points, and it's already a big surprise. And when it get to here, and it come back to the middle here, and it was able to retrace over 20 points, but not able to cross the middle. and later it come back and make that 20 points move again. And yeah, here is come back up here again and make a low move again. It's just it seems like it's really kind of interesting to see that the last one is really got to make this the other 20 points move, and eventually come back a bit and close at like a 55.70 level. So that's quite a run, and it's very bearish. Now the future had already opened. As of right now, it looks pretty, in many senses, pretty upbeat, and it already moved 12 points, and I would say I think that it need to move at least 20 points to show its strength, and we'll see. Likely it could move that much. So tomorrow is a big day. It's a Fed Chair Powell speak at 10 o'clock. And yeah, this is the calendar. That's the first things on the calendar tomorrow. And then 10 o'clock also have the new home sales. And then pretty much that's about it. Like at 1 o'clock, it has a Baker Hughes oil rig count. It seems like this would be, I'm not sure whether this is also means at 1 o'clock. It probably not. It's like a probably aftermarket. Not sure when that's going to be released. This about the building permits. And also Jackson Hole symposium also. That's major things going on. So we'll see. So tomorrow, I would say it should move at least 40 points. And now where to go from here? So 40 points, that means like a 55, well, 56.10. And basically it will go back to this middle going above. However, if it could go up above here, then likely it could probably make another 40 points move. Then we're talking about, it's kind of hard to believe that tomorrow going to make that that much move, but who knows? I guess after 10 o'clock we'll be able to probably get some taste of the volatility for tomorrow. And so it's possible that it could make even 120 points move. But if we say or 100 points, that's possible. And if we say we're looking at that 100 points move, this is 55.70, and that means tomorrow going to make a new high. Of course, if say that's not what it's aiming for, then yeah, that we're talking about 5,500 tomorrow. It could possibly means like that, and be somewhat kind of more conservative, like say on the 40 points move. So that really means like on the upside there is a 56, like a 12, and on the downside there is like a 55.30 level. So we're talking about somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, that's all I have to share, and wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.